Hello, I'm Rachel Jones for the Finance News Network. Joining me from XTEK is MD Philippe Odouard. Philippe, welcome back to FNN.
Yeah, good afternoon, Rachel.
Now, XTEK provides high-quality products to deliver tailored solutions to the government, law enforcement, military, space and commercial sectors. Can you tell us more about this?
We used to be very much oriented towards distribution of products from overseas companies to Australia. We've changed that to doing our own products, developing our own products and selling them. The difference between the two is a very high margin for the products that you develop yourself. We have increased our gross margin from 18% to 26%. So you can see that it is a big jump in terms of this gross margin. We have a new technology that we're launching on the world market doing ballistics, which is really helmets and plates, armor plates for soldiers and law enforcement. These are up to a third lighter than anything that exists in comparison with the same, of course, stopping capabilities. The second product we are launched recently is a device that can take a full motion video from a UAV or an unmanned aerial system and get you a 3D model and a 3D positioning in a particular area in real time with very high accuracy, which allows you to target. And that goes for a UAV that is quite inexpensive to start with. So both products unique in the world. We've launched them to the world market. We've been quite successful in a number of countries already.
And can you tell us about the US subsidiary?
So the US is actually an acquisition we did about 15 months ago. We distribute our products into the US, but they have their own products on their own. They have their own manufacturing capability, and they've actually got about a 30% growth in the last calendar year. And we have our large commercial a machine that produces large quantities of plates or helmets that is coming online now. So that is a big event. The purpose is to be able to get a second machine in our factory in the US to be able to serve the US defense market that demands that the production should be done onshore in the US.
And can you tell me about the focus on actionable intelligence solutions and unmanned systems?
So we're very strong on unmanned systems. We've been supplying UAVs to the Australian government now for several years. We signed about a $40 million contract to supply those. The maintenance part of this is another $35 million. But UAVs is one thing. A lot of what we're doing is also on the ground. We have recently signed a UGV, unmanned ground vehicle. You get video from the UAV. You process that with our actionable intelligence software called XTEK, and you designate a target, typically carried on by UGV with a remote weapon station, which will engage with the target. So it's a complete chain of fire that we're now in a position to propose with those different products and the developments we've done.
Now to corporate matters. Can you provide an update on your recent capital raising and also the appointment of Christopher Pyne to the board?
Yes, we in August last year, we raised around $12 million on the market. Some of it was to sort of launch what we're doing at the present time worldwide on our new products on the ballistic side. The other part of it is to be able to sort of invest into the second machine that we want to install in the US. One of the key things that happened after that is we've beefed up a lot of our staff in selling on one side, but also in terms of visibility of the company. And that's how we sort of approached Christopher Pyne and appointed him on the board to sort of help us raise our profile. We're a small company. We need to sort of get people to sort of see us a bit more. Christopher is actually is very good at that, as you probably know.
So what's the outlook for the second half and further out?
The products I've mentioned to you, and both of them are ready. We are now very much in the promotion of those two on the international market. We have very good networks into this. And the next step is to sort of selling them and delivering them. and as a consequence on the stock exchange, growing the revenue and growing the profit in a substantial manner with that new strategy.
Philippe Odouard, nice to see you again, and thanks so much for the update.
Thank you very much, Rachel.